We're not cooks, but we are family.
You tell us what to do, and we'll get it done.
Stop that health inspector!
Delta team, go, 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 go! The rest of you stay and help running!
Team 3 will be handling fish. Team 4, roasted items. Team 5, grill. Team 6, sauces. Get to your stations. Let's go, go, go! Those handling food will walk on 2 legs.
We need someone to wait tables.
I'm sorry for any delay, but we're a little short tonight.
Please, take all the time you need.
Make sure that steak is nice and tenderized. Work it, yeah, stick and move, stick and move. Easy with that sole miniere. Less salt, more butter. Only use the Nicolette cheese. Oh, wow, compose the salad like you were painting a picture. Not too much vinaigrette on that salad composé. Don't let that beurre blanc separate. Keep whisking. Gently poach the scallops. Taste check, spoons down. Good. Too much salt? Good. Don't boil the consomme, it'll toughen the visit. Emile!
Sorry! Colette, wait! Colette, you came back. Colette,
Don't say a word. If I think about it, I might change my mind. Just tell me what the rat wants to cook. Ratatouille. It's a peasant dish. Are you sure you want to serve this to Eagle? What? I am making ratatouille. Well, how would you prepare it?
Ratatouille? They must be joking.